Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about my Robinhood portfolio, currently at $241,580, cash position of $11,739. I also have another $30,000 in a high yield savings account, so I can easily deploy into the market when there are opportunities to buy. Most of my portfolio is in US equities, and the market has been rallying this past year, which makes me a bit more cautious considering optimism is extremely high. Scrolling down a bit, first position is VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Makes a 15.61% portfolio or $37,713, up 25.57%. Next is Vanguard Information Technology ETF, which is good diversified exposure to the tech sector. Makes up 7.16% portfolio or $17,292, up 88.71%. Schwab Large Cap ETF, very similar to VOO, makes up 5.37% portfolio or $12,965, up 36.16%. iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, up 1.24% portfolio, or makes up 1.24%, which is equity value of $2,991, up 55.54%. Spider S&P 500 ETF makes up 1.1% portfolio, or $2,648, up 55.91%. Apple, which is my largest stock position, makes up 7.05% portfolio or $17,000 equity value, up 96.11%. Alibaba, which is my Asia Pacific play, makes up 5.39% portfolio or $13,000, up 33.69%. Next is Microsoft, makes up 4.97% portfolio or $12,000, up 89.33%. Visa, which makes up 4.74% portfolio or $11,454, up 86.37%. Nvidia makes up 3.71% portfolio or $8,955, up 32.9%. Alphabet, which is Class A shares with voting rights, makes up 1.81% portfolio or $4,364, up 46.64%. This is Class C shares versus Class A shares. This one makes up 1.81% portfolio or $4,362, up 45.87%. Johnson & Johnson, which is a good dividend play, makes up 3.37% portfolio or $8,151, up 14.68%. Amazon makes up 3.11% portfolio or $7,507, up 58.13%. Tencent, which is another Asia Pacific play, makes up 2.84% portfolio or $6,856, up 22%. McDonald's makes up 2.62% portfolio or $6,325, up 31.17%. Next is Boeing, makes up 2.34% portfolio or $5,643, up 11.45%. United Health makes up 2.24% portfolio or $5,413, up 76.95%. They recently reported earnings, so in Q4 of 2019, actual EPS of $3.90 beat the expected EPS of $3.78. Next is Home Depot, makes up 1.7% portfolio or $4,118, up 50.84%. Facebook makes up 1.65% portfolio or $3,991, up 43.01%. Costco makes up 1.63% portfolio or $3,939, up 25.8%. Berkshire Hathaway makes up 1.62% portfolio or $3,905, up 26%. AT&T makes up 1.61% portfolio, or $3,883, up 5.08%. 3M makes up 1.35% portfolio, or $3,258, down 10.11%. PepsiCo makes up 1.16% portfolio, or $2,792, up 16.91%. PayPal makes up 1.1% portfolio, or $2,680, up 54%. NextEra Energy makes up 0.94% portfolio, or $2,270, up 43.92%. Next positions I'm actually down. Baidu makes up 0.64% portfolio, or $1,536, down 24.26%. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, they also reported earnings recently. Makes up 0.61% portfolio, or $1,475, up 35.43%. So in terms of earnings report, Q4 of 2019, actual EPS of 73 cents, beats expected EPS of 70 cents, which is good news. Next is Activision Blizzard, makes up 0.6% portfolio, or $1,451, down 8.03%. Baozun, which is a Shopify China, makes up 0.56% portfolio, or $1,341, down 4%. Constellation Brands makes up 0.24% portfolio, or $574, down 13.41%. Ichi makes up 0.2% portfolio, or $475, down 21.46%. Next couple ones are Vanguard, or just ETFs. This one's Vanguard Consumer Discretionary ETF. Makes up 0.8% portfolio, or $2,130, up 56.73%. Vanguard Healthcare ETF makes up 0.73% portfolio, or $1,773, up 52.21%. Last but not least is Vanguard Mega Cap Value ETF. Makes up 0.8% portfolio, or $1,937, up 32.2%. So also on my Robinhood portfolio, I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETFs and buying a good balance of dividend-paying stocks and growth stocks. I also plan to increase my cash position, currently at $11,739 in my Robinhood account and $30,000 in a high-yield savings account. But I want to get this to at least $40,000 so I can easily deploy when there are opportunities to buy. That's all for this video. What's in your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.